In this comprehensive video tutorial, we will expertly guide you through the step process of permanently deleting your Facebook account in 2023. So, let's get started. First, log into your and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, then proceed to Settings. Within Facebook Settings, select See More in the Account Center. Afterward, click on Personal Details, followed by Account Ownership. Here, you can make a crucial decision: either choose to deactivate your account, which will conceal it from Facebook temporarily, or opt for permanent deletion. Keep in mind that you will have a 30-day grace period to reconsider. Select your desired option and diligently follow the steps provided on the screen. Lastly, confirm your choice by entering your Facebook password. If you're using a mobile device, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once more, tap on Settings. Within the Facebook settings, tap on See More located in the Account Center. Then, tap on Personal Details. Here, you'll discover the option Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it and select either deactivation or deletion. You will be prompted to choose your account. Next, select Delete Account and tap Continue. At this point, you'll need to specify a reason for deleting your account. Tap Continue once more. Lastly, provide your Facebook password and confirm. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.